So it incentivizes you as the company to sell today. I'm going to sell today at fair market value. I'm going to run completely tax-free. And then down the road, let's say federal legalization occurs, I can build this thing up to a huge company. Great. Now I can sell it to Budweiser and I can buy back before that sale at a very, very low price called a strike price. So those are the main tenets of the ESOP.
All right, so it's no wonder Eric Berlin had 6 months and a bunch of lawyers, because as you explain it there with your passion and energy, it all sounds too good to be true. And I'm a fucking business owner. So here I'm sitting thinking to myself, like, wait, what am I doing, right?